Monique, welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered how you can write a script for YouTube? Today I'm going to show you the best way to write a YouTube script and the best way to stay organized. So keep watching. If you've ever wondered how to write a script for a YouTube video, I'm going to tell you the best ways to do it. So a lot of people, when they first start making YouTube videos, they have an idea, they have a niche, they kind of focus in on something they want to talk about, but they don't actually prepare for it. And so they just blather on about what they want to chat about, and then they get off topic. So I'm going to show you how to make a script and how to stay to topic and how to be an expert at that topic in order to make your video. So like I said, the first thing you want to do is you want to be an expert in that field. You want to do your research about whatever it is that you're talking about, and you want to base your video on that. You want to answer all the people who are watching this video, like if they're going to go watch your video to learn something, you want to answer all their questions. You want to talk about a topic, be an expert, and you want to answer everybody's questions about that topic. So the second thing you want to do is you want to have some structure. So what I like to do is I like to have bullet points or write things in point form. And that way I have a certain number of topics, say like 10 items that I want to reach during the video. And I make sure that I check off each one of those topics in the video. Another thing you can do, you don't have to do bullet or point form. You can actually write out the entire script of your video, so exactly what you want to say. I don't usually do that just because it's really long, and usually when that happens you look away, and when you break eye contact with people it kind of, makes them kind of bored and they want to look away too or click away. So you want to keep eye contact with the camera and you want to stay focused. So I don't actually write out an entire script, I just have bullet points. Next, I want to talk about the actual structure of the video that you're making. So almost all the videos on YouTube that I've seen, other than vlogs or kind of comedy videos, follow the same structure. If it's a how-to video, it's basically a quick intro with some graphics talking about who you are and what you want to do. So you have a lead and a hook, a body, and then call to action. So the lead is something that's like your intro, maybe like a quick little graphic about, your YouTube channel or who you are. And then immediately you go into why do they want to watch this video? What are they going to learn from this video? So today the video is about how to make scripts. So immediately I talked about, hey, this is the best way to make a script. So that's the hook. That's what's going to draw people in. That's what's going to get them to continue watching and what they want to find information on. So when somebody goes onto YouTube and they type in how to YouTube or how to whatever, this is what they're searching for. So if I want to find out how to make pancakes, so my hook would be how to make the best pancakes you've ever ate, or something like that. That would be my hook. So after having the hook, after drawing them in, now you've got to fulfill that promise. You've got to actually give the information on how to make those good pancakes. So you have to have the body of the YouTube video, and the body of the YouTube video is the information that they're searching for. So this is where you tell them how to do something. So after the body, you have something called a call to action. So what I like to do is I have the meat and potatoes, I have the body of what I'm teaching them, and I say, this is what I've taught you today. So if it's how to make the best pancakes, I say, so today you should have learned how to make the best pancakes. And then my call to action is, if you want to see more videos or similar videos, go watch this video, which is my next video on this channel, or check out some of my other videos on this channel, or go to my Instagram or my TikTok or wherever. I am telling them where to watch more videos. I'm telling them where to get more information about my channel and my other social media pages. So I am telling them what to do. So that could also be, go check out my channel and subscribe or whatever. This is going to get you more views on your other videos. This is going to get you more subscribers because you're actually telling people what to do and where to go. So an important thing to do, actually, once you've written up your script, is also to think about what you're going to do for your titles and keywords. So there are certain words that you want to use in the body of your script, and there's certain words that you want to repeat in your video. So for your title, you want something that's catchy. You want something that is similar to your hook in your video as well. But something that's really important that you do when you're making your script is that you actually go and look at what your competitors are doing. So if I wanted to double check and see if my script is going to be good, I'm actually going to go onto YouTube and see what other how-to YouTubers are, like what they're doing for their scripts too. So I actually go to other YouTubers who are successful. I don't copy anything, but I do look at how they structure their videos. And almost every single one of them has some sort of lead-in, intro, hook, body, and call to action. Almost every single video that you will see on YouTube that is a how-to video will be in that format. So if you want to do how-to videos, that is the best way to function. So I'd look at maybe 3 or 4 different successful YouTubers, and I would look at what they're producing in the last maybe 60 days. Nothing really older than that, because then you've got like views that are coming from other directions. They're not like viral views or just brand new views. So look at something that's fairly new on maybe 3 or 4 big YouTubers or like growing YouTubers that are in your field. And then I would model a lot of my videos similarly for their scripts. One of the final things that I would do for my YouTube video in order to build a script is I would time it. So I actually, sometimes I have my phone next to me when I am writing out the script or I'm doing bullet points, and I just, organically speak while I'm going through my bullet points, and I time each one. So I'll say like, oh, this one topic I want to talk about, I want to talk about it for 2 minutes. Next topic I want to talk about that for 2 minutes. And then after the 2 minutes is gone, I move on to the next one. And so I just use a timer on my phone so that I can know, okay, this video is going to be 5 minutes. This video, I want it to be 10 minutes. So once you have an idea of how long your video you want it to be, time the video and actually like stick to all of your points, stay organized, and so on. And another thing is, all your videos don't have to be the same length of time. Sometimes it's good to have a really short video. Sometimes it's really good to have a long video. So it just depends on how many views that you get for your video. So if you do a short video on Snapchat, I did this one video on Snapchat that had like 14,000 views, and it was super short. I did another video that had like on sneakers, and it was like 10 minutes. What you have to do is just feel out how long your videos are going to be. So maybe you want to start off with like a really short video, and maybe you want to do a really long video, and just find that in between for the length of your videos. And then after you've tested it out for a little while and you've got success, then stick to that length of video. So once you start employing these things like structuring your video, making a good script, having an intro and a body and an outro or the call to action, once you start doing those things, you are going to notice that you're going to get more views and you're going to get more subscribers, and your phone is going to be dinging every time somebody subscribes to your channel. One of the most important things that you should be doing in your video when you're talking about your script is staying to topic. Like I said, time it, write down what you want to talk about, and then just speak about what you want to talk about. Don't put any of that extra stuff in. Just give people the information that they want to get. So this video has been about how to make the best and most successful scripts to make a YouTube video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel right away. Go down there and subscribe and watch this next video. It's a how-to video on YouTube.